Okay, it's time to do the Island Plus. Trying to fill up the bag. Got my labels prepared. Hopefully you're seeing. I just feel that it's just important to do more. Saves time. Again, as usual, sanitize your hands if you're sensitive towards the gloves. Then we are going to pipe away right now. So this is some blast. So that is one. This is basically the labels I created for it. Ta-da! How are you folks doing this morning? It's a beautiful Sunday if you're going to church. I hope you're having an awesome day. Trying to work here. When you're the only person in your business and you're trying to push different products, it could get chaotic. It could get very chaotic up in here. I'm gonna leave another one for Instagram because I like to ensure I get enough footage for everything because I'm only one person. So these are the labels I created. I actually have it on a mat and we are going to be cutting this out like so. My hands tremors. Got my iron levels a bit low, but that does not impact. I don't let it impact the business. So if you see my hands tremor, just know that I'm still able to do what I want to do with launching my business and making it as successful as possible. So again, I do have the formula for this sugar scrub below. Watch the video. If you want me to recreate another video on how I make it, let me know. I could do a step-by-step. You see? So this is how this looks. See, I try to make the color kind of mimic the abstract. The beautiful abstract paint. When a bit later, I feel I'll create a detailed tutorial, but I made this video, but I think I'll create an edited version of this so you guys will get some really good shots of me from the starting to the ending. Okay, I think that would be able to help you guys. I feel this one is one of my favorite like one of my best sellers because it has this island vibes to it. Okay, so I just wanted to come on show you guys this. I am now gonna go on Instagram because I really want to I really want to create live videos on Instagram too, because it is challenging sometimes when you're your own business person trying to market, promote, and do everything. It becomes hectic over there. Now, don't know you have to weigh these. The reason why they're not covered, I have to weigh every single one. If anything is missing, I have to pipe some more in it. So we're just leaving the lids off right now because we have to weigh everything. Now, someone was asking me how I weigh everything. So basically, my scale is tiered. The weight of the jar, I know the weight of the jar already. So when I tier, consider I put the jar on empty and I tier it. When I take off the jar, I put one jar that is filled. So I don't know if that kind of helps you. So this is the scale. I tear it off with my jar, take the jar off, put a full jar on. This is one way. And I've measured it different ways already and it's always accurate. Or I put it on the scale, check the weight of the jar. If it says 2 ounce or something, then I put the full jar. If it says 42, then I minus the 2 and left 40. Okay, hopefully that helps you guys understand how you could actually weigh. You don't have to put it on the scale and pipe it. That is too much work. I don't have time for that. I am just going to do it the way I am used to doing it and always get accurate measurement. Okay, so that is the way you could do it. When you're piping, right? And I use weight as opposed to the volume. I just use weight because here in Canada we use the grams. Is it grams or ounce? I put both of them because I do ship to the US as well. So grams and ounce. And if one jar has a tiny bit more than the other, I don't change it. I leave it like this. Customer will be a happy customer. Yeah, so that's basically that. It smells so delicious. The emotions. Yes. He sure will. Abstract. You like the abstract? Beautiful, beautiful scrub. And it lathers really, really well. You know something? How about I show you how it lathers, right? I'm going to get some water and I'm going to show. I feel it's important to actually show it in the video And maybe in the description box I will say scroll to this one so you could see how it lathers. I could put the time code, so this helps anyone that is going to be new to see what the sugar scrub is all about, because it's a beautiful formulation. It has humectant, emollient, surfactant in there. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave that tad bit. So just a tad bit. I'm going to wash my hands so you guys could see how it looks. Let's put everything on the side. Let me get water. Water. Psalms 91 verse 2 says, I will say of the Lord, he is my refuge and my fortress, my God in whom I trust. I confess this to be true in my life. You are my refuge indeed. All right, I'm back. So let's ensure they're back. We don't want no water going inside of it. Just put these all at the back. So this is water, right? You don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. This could do your whole body. So what I do, I love to exfoliate it on my skin. You can see the natural oils and butter. You can see it's very shiny because I have a lot of butter and oils in there, right? Exfoliate the sugar grain. It's not rigid for like the sensitive skin. Very nice, right? You could either use it straight on the skin for exfoliation. You could see the shine, very glossy. I have like a lot of shea butter in there and avocado oil. So you see that, right? Very lustrous. Now you're gonna activate it with the water. So I'm gonna do that really low for you to see. Do you see that? It is a beautiful formulation. Okay, you see, look at how creamy. It's a beautiful creamy, I would say, formulation. It glides. You're still seeing the shine of the natural oils and butters on your hands from the sugar scrub, right? So we're here. I just wanted to make it and show you guys how it formulates. Now, if you want the bubbles to get a bit more fluffier, you just continue rubbing and adding more water, and it's going to create some beautiful, like nice fluffy. You see that? Very nice fluffy bubbles. Very soft as well. Okay, and you exfoliate, the sugar grain will dissolve. Look at this. Do you see that? It's beautiful bubbles, beautiful. And I love sitting in my tub and just exfoliating my skin and ensuring that everything is well, my skin is well exfoliated, and you will see very nice luster on your skin. Your skin should feel very soft after this, right? So the water, look at my hands. You see that? Natural luster. Now let's wipe this off. Some paper towel over here so you could see my skin. My hands is not going to be very dry, nothing. It has natural oil on it, natural, very soft. It's just, I just love the formulation, and it's a really good seller still, right? So I do have the formula on my YouTube channel. You guys should definitely check it out, right? That's it. I need to do my nails. I haven't done my nails in a while. I've been working. So that is it. Let me dispose of the water. This side. So that is basically these scrubs right here. Okay, so let me know what you think, what you want to learn. If you want me to create a well edited video, I'll definitely do that, so you guys learn how to make the products. I just believe in educating, because guess what? God is actually blessing me with customers, wonderful customers that also subscribe to my channel. They follow me, and that means so much to me. I am really, really thankful, appreciative of everything. And slowly but surely, the brand will grow. It will grow to something phenomenal. We just need to work at it, work at it, work at it. So I just washed my hands. Now I'm just gonna continue this, and yeah, pipe. So I'm gonna head over to, I'm gonna let the videos, both videos play, so you guys learn, watch the piping, and then yeah. So that's basically what we did today. Okay, so thank you guys again for joining me. Don't forget, I do have another YouTube channel. We're at 12,000 on the other YouTube platform. We do a little bit of meditation. I'm gonna head over there in a while when I finish pipe this and label it, just to speak about something that is going to help with the mindset of being positive. So thank you again for joining me. Bye everybody.